We are now in front of SMS, Savunma Sanayi,
Yes.
and we are with Mr. Ergenekon Savrun.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell us what SMS does, first of all?
Right, first of all, thank you very much for joining our fair. SMS Defence is producing and manufacturing spare parts for the military forces, especially for the land forces, armored vehicles, tanks, and howitzers. And we established in 1991 in Izmir. We located in Izmir, and we got factories located in 5 dönüms. And we have also brother companies, Izmir Motor. It's both same. So we are joining the military tenders in Turkish military forces. We also do imports, 18 countries, different kind of countries, European countries, United States of America, and some Middle East countries, sir.
You mentioned tanks, so
Yes.
it's better to ask what kind of, what kind of tanks, like the French tanks, the German tanks?
I mean, all kind of tanks, almost the NATO licensed tanks like Leopard, M series, M60, M48, M113, M109, or French tanks, Leclercs. I mean, all kind of, European, Western tanks. We also do reverse engineering. So we've been produced more than 6,000 spare parts, as you see here, the gears, the seals, hydraulic pumps, and engine pumps, all kind of spare parts, except weapons, sir. So no problem at all. But how we work, for example, the customers from abroad or in the local customers, the companies, send us the sample of it or technical drawings, then our technical office or engineers works on it, then we produce it.
So your SNC system is very important.
It is, yes. And as I mentioned you before, sir, we have 2 fabrics and we have more than 10 CNC machines, as you see on the catalogs. So it's all high quality, high standards. And we have also the European or Western quality departments. We have papers from different kind of governments and private institutions, sir.
So starting from IDEF, from this time, do you have a new market plan, new market target?
Yes, absolutely, because we are growing and this is global world. So we join some international fairs, except IDEF, for example, in Europe, France, and Middle East, and United States. So we are planning to join the other international fairs for our sake and Turkey's sake too. So we will be happy to collaborate with the other nations, companies, and governments, of course, for growing business.
And do you have a specific targeted region for your products?
I mean, we don't actually have a special target, but as long as if we can work, if it's how can I say, democrat, or how can I say, if it's join the world community, as long it doesn't matter. I mean, we have some partners in Middle Asia, we have some partners in Southeast Asia, we have some partners in America, in Europe, all around the world. So we don't actually have a specific target, but our specialization is to make a good and with the high standards products and make the customers happy.
I see your spare part for Leclerc tank.
Yes, sir.
I have seen on your catalog from Leopard 2 tank.
Yes, sir.
So, do you produce them, manufacture them for the original country, like French Leclerc for the French army or the German army?
Yes, sir. Both. We also produce for the French army, and we also producing for the some French customers who are importing the Middle East countries which are using the Leclerc tanks. And also it's the same for M series, and also same for the Leopard and all kind of tanks. So we have some really good, partnerships with United States of America, for sure. So we are sending some spare parts for them too, sir.
Well, we are talking about the tanks, but tanks are not the only part of the army.
Yes, of course.
We should be talking maybe enlarged as a heavy or armored land vehicles.
Yes.
So do you have other products for other vehicles?
Yes, sir. We have also, for example, the military trucks, especially, and the tire. Who has the tires? Like as you see, truck in FNSS or BMC or Otokar, as you see. We also producing some really special spare parts for these vehicles too. So not only for the tanks, I can say.
And do you also foreign customers for such?
Yes, we have. So more than 18 countries we are doing import and export, sir. Successfully.
Thank you very much.
You're more